How to dispute a transaction on Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you notice a suspicious charge on your Citibank account, well, here is how to dispute a transaction quickly from your desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, it'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in, you can just click on the account with the suspicious charge like your credit card or checking account. And there you simply have to scroll through your recent transaction and once you find the one that you want to dispute, you can just click on the more details or report a problem link next to it. And there you simply have to choose the reason for the dispute from the list provided and add any notes if needed and then click on submit. And that's it. After that, Citibank will review your dispute and follow up. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.